Hey, this is JustSmellSoGood.com. This is Roosevelt Davis. If you want to learn how to make money off of fragrance body oils, here's some information for you that can help you make a lot of money off of fragrance body oils. Number one thing I find out that most sellers do when they start in the business, they call themselves lowballers. Lowballing the product, lowballing the quality, lowballing this really crappy. I have a lot of crappy oil. When I first started out in the business about 18 years ago, I purchased oils that was online that was very, very crappy. You know, I purchased some oils that was in North Carolina, a place that some of you may be aware of, but I'm not going to mention their name. But the oil was so crappy that it didn't even burn well when you purchase it. And then sometimes it could be a waste of your money and your time and energy buying products that you don't know of or familiar with the vendor. So let's get to the point. You want to make money. I make money off of different products. I sell detergent, I sell cereal, I sell snacks, I sell lotions, and more. Here's why. You have to have a mixture of products that you sell to your clients. Why would you let your client go somewhere else, such as Walmart, Target, or any other vendor that the customer needs the product? A lot of people want to make money off of fragrance oils, but they just don't know enough information about it. So, I sell a variety of different flavors of oils. Most of my oils are crafted oils. They sell from a range from $25 up to $100 if you customize the oil. The oil starts at 1 ounce to up to a pound or more of crafted oils. Then you have the domestic oil. The domestic oil is such oils like designer oils. Designer oils are oils that are sold that the vendor, most vendors sell, you know. So let's start out with the size of oils that you can make and craft for the person who wants that type of oil. Let's say to stay safe of copyright, you know what type of oils, and I might have some oils listed down below so we can stay out of the copyright situation. A regular size 1/3 ounce of oil should go for $7 to $8. Anytime you get to that 3 for $10 of an oil that's very quality, you better make sure that it doesn't burn your skin, it doesn't affect your air passageways, your lungs, and you got to make sure that the person is testing it on your skin, such as your wrist. Most of the time, some people might be very allergic to the oil that you selling them. So instead of getting the sale, you might just say, hey, let's test this out. It takes almost 3 seconds, and you can on this see whelps or something like a red mark or something, and then you allow the customer to say, listen, this might not be the right oil for your skin because you might be allergic to something. And it's not because of you that you did something wrong, it's just because the client may have certain allergies. There might be smokers. They might be taking certain medication. They might be, you know, it's a variety of things that does not work. So if you want to make money with oil, you got to know the product and you got to take care of your customer, because you could be in a lawsuit situation. None of us want that at all, in business or anywhere else. So when I sell quality oil to a customer, right, I make sure I tell them the product, and most time they say, oh yeah, I want to buy that product. I tell them the price, $7 or $8 or whatever the case may be. Some may come back and say, I get this oil for 3 for $10, or you know, and then I have to explain to them the quality of the oil. In most cases, they're going to buy the oil or they walk away. Or in most cases, they buy the oil because they've been looking for that person like myself to sell them the oil. When I get into the business aspect of a quality oil, I make sure the person who buy oils or the opportunity getting themselves into a variety of businesses that deals with products and services. Here's why. You want a business first for cash flow. You want a business for long term. You want a business to pay for the rent. You want a business to pay for the car. You want insurance and everything else. So you have to have a mixture of products to sell that customer. Now, once upon a time, I sell 1 ounce bottles. And I've been around long enough to know how to mix flavors. Just like a cook, just like a chef, just like a pastry chef, I have a skill to make a crafted scent for one client. Now, I have got up to $200 for a 1 ounce crafted scent. That means they call me a mixologist. Like they call a person in a liquor who serve drinks. They mix ology. You pay for the drink. You love the drink. That's it. Now, if the client do not want to pay for that crafted scent, I can give them a portion of the crafted scent, but they will never know what the notes are in that crafted scent. That allows me to sell that crafted scent to someone else. So, can you make a lot of money selling perfume oils? Can you make a lot of money in the opportunity aspect of selling oils? Most cases are yes, because I really don't get into one aspect of the business. Here's why. Because when you start selling oils alone to a customer, then you limit yourself the abilities to sell a more array of flavors to help the person who wants to get in your business. You can go around peddling, you can go around selling out your card, getting different clientele, and you can walk around knocking on doors. But you want to make a certain goal that you make a profit in business, because this type of business could be very expensive. I always tell a person who join our business, which just smells so good, that you need to have an investment of about $250. It doesn't matter. You have to get into both business, the oil business and the business of the other products. Here's why. You want to have something for every clientele. And when you start building a clientele, you want to receive emails. You want to get their telephone number. You don't want to be a one-hit wonder. And then you want to start building a brand and marketing the business. Here's in this information here. I hope it really does help you. Because like I said, the 1 ounce normally sell 1/3 of an ounce. If you know what that is, if I had one, I would show you. And probably if you look at my videos on justsmellsogood.com or on my videos on here on my YouTube channel, you will notice what I sell. The 1 ounce sells for $30, $25, up to $100 if it's crafted. A crafted scent is something that's unique. It's different. I cannot see. Those are for the ones who really want something totally different. Totally different. And then I could send you samples of that also. Samples of different flavors that smell good. So if you want to join and you want to make money out of fragrance, and you can, up to $300 to $200 a day. The less I say you can make, if you really put some little bit of effort, it's $100 a day. If you build it correctly, emails, telephone number, contact, customer service, there's so many different ways to build your business. And then that client will buy the other parts of your business. I'm looking for, I had to take a drink. I'm looking for 100 unique people who wants to start a business, who want to put an investment of $250 into themselves, who want to grow a business successfully, who want someone like me to help them out, talk to them on a regular basis, and help them build a team. But you have to listen to grow a business. You have to invest to grow a business. If you don't have those resources, I understand. I take you as a customer. But if you really want to start a business and you tired of searching all over online trying to figure out who's selling what to do next, how to make money, how to increase your revenue, there's so many ways to do this business. Lotion, body wash, incense, soaps, detergents. It's so many different ways to grow your business up to a $100,000 business. But will it take a lot of work? Sure it will. It will. It will take a lot of work. So I want you to do this. Please subscribe, make a comment, share this information with all your friends and family, and start this business today with us. JustSmellSoGood.com. And I am Roosevelt Davis of RooseveltDavis.com. Holla! Peace.